So okay, state in South Africa, you raw conversation. This is not a written script. I see some people. We talk about better South Africa. Yeah, but inspired by Nkomonde, we work at the Hodman Nkomonde speak a lot of sense. Yeah, but wise thing. Yeah, but into is sense. So now I'm thinking about. Let me do. So shout out to Nkomonde Hodman. So Snendo, cities from South Africa, we want to make South Africa a better place, but before we make South Africa a better place, South Africa is a country, let's first make our communities a better place. But our communities the team. Sundays must be this guy with people because Sundays while I was growing up was Sundays and everybody was happy on Sunday because we were going to church on Sundays. We were praising the Lord on Sundays. And we come back ezindlini zethu sitya ukutya. Family is important. Love your family yabo. Now obviously bakhona basijikela phakathi efamilini. Another story for another distraction 10%. Another story for another day. Another story for let me ignore them. So Sundays. Time and money and attention. Awele mali yethu. Instead of okay, people can go and have fun, but not every week. Yabo. Use your money wisely. Let's try to. I love agriculture and I'm a pro agriculture and because now the people from the West are making GMO crops, which is no man. I think plant, yabo. Nobody, it's a small garden, planting, so you can reduce your money going to the spas and boxers. Yes, but so agriculture, I love agriculture. So, style communities intend Sundays must be Sundays. Let's not drink on Sundays. Let's just honor the Lord on Sundays. Standards. Agriculture is one of the best things. Agriculture. Spile according to tongue more. I think that's our pelanjan because I don't think it's possible. But no pain more. Let's have a growth mindset, not a fixed mindset. Masiti, this is our community now. But our community, our kasi, our location, our township can be something greater, and let's work together for that. Before the president, before we judge the president, let's first judge our councillor. Let's first judge our mayor. Mayor starts to councillors. Ayikho le yenzileyo because betheza bakindlela, takes our window. Let's hold them accountable. Kutheni ngekho manzi apha for over 5 months, mayor or councillor. Yabo. Kutheni ngekho mbane. Let's work. Embrace the wise minds in the community because there are wise people in the community, in this community. But they are oppressed because we are used to the fact that you go to varsity and educate yourself and work for someone. But the people who are wise want to create something new, design something new. Let's help them. Let's open space for those opportunities in the community. We can have our Elon Musk in the community. A person that can come with the idea can be how to make limitless water, make an example, without going to the dam. A person that can study how water is purified and in the background. There are people like that. I know people who are wise enough to do that. People who are wise enough to let's embrace the wise and work with the wise people, reduce on alcohol. I mean, read my care because I know people it's difficult, but let's reduce on alcohol and try to first better and grow with your mindset, grow spiritually, physically, emotionally, mentally, psychologically. Then if everyone is suffering from a trauma or disorder, talk to someone, from social workers corner. If you're born age, I have no value in life, I'm a man. If I'm a boy, I'm not a man. Ujime, start exercising, get a six-pack. Unemployed, you have no money, you're unemployed, and I'm saying start exercising. By exercising, improving yourself physically before financial. For my opinion, as an 18-year-old boy that is still growing, Let me go outside now. Shop.